The worn leather of Maya's backpack held the weight of countless adventures. Dust motes danced in the sunbeams filtering through the rickety bus window, illuminating her trusted Canon camera. Each click captured a memory. A saffron-robed monk in Bhutan, a wrinkled Maasai woman adorned with beads, the dizzying chaos of a Marrakesh market. Solo travel wasn't always easy. Loneliness gnawed at her sometimes, especially in the quiet of hostels. But when she raised the camera, the world transformed. The lens became her shield, a way to connect without words. A shared laugh with a shepherd in Patagonia over a blurry sheep selfie. A cup of sweet chai offered by a curious shopkeeper in Delhi after capturing the intricate henna designs on her hands. Back in her tiny hostel room, hunched over her laptop, Maya uploaded the photos. The world, vast and vibrant, unfolded on her screen. It wasn't just the places. It was the stories whispered in every click. Proof that even alone, she was never truly solitary. The world was her canvas, and her Canon, her brush, painting a vibrant tapestry of human connection.